very pretty.
Oh, thank you. Happy wedding day.
Happy wedding day.
They're coming, everybody.
Good afternoon, Yvette and Lefty. How are you today?
I don't call him Lefty.
Jim,
Jim.
how are you guys today?
Good.
We're good.
Okay. Is it your wish today to be married to each other
Yes.
Yes.
in front of these guests?
Yeah.
Yes.
The guests watching from up above? And also the guests watching live stream via Zoom?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. Okay, we will proceed. Today is a day to celebrate. We are here to celebrate the love, commitment, and friendship of two people who love each other and wish to spend the rest of their lives together before these witnesses and those in heaven and those online. You ready, Jim?
Yes.
Okay, Jim, repeat after me. I, Jim, stand before you, Yvette,
I, Jim, stand before you, Yvette,
because you have won my heart.
because you have won my heart.
Today I choose you to be my wife.
Today I choose you to be my wife.
You are my life partner,
You are my life partner,
the one I pledge my love.
the one I pledge my love.
I will listen to you and stand by you
I will listen to you and stand by you
through good times and tough times.
through good times and COVID times.
COVID times, yeah.
I promise this now and for all the days of my life.
I promise this now and for all the days of my life.
Okay, girlie, you're up.
I, Yvette, stand before you, Jim,
Because you have won my heart.
because you have won my heart.
I choose you to be my husband.
I choose you to be my husband.
Aw.
You are my life partner,
You are my life partner.
the one I pledge my love to.
The one I pledge my love to.
I will listen to you,
I will listen to you,
stand by you
stand by you
through good times and tough times.
through good times and tough times.
I promise this now
I promise this now
and for all the days of my life.
and all the days of my life.
We have rings today?
Yes.
Okay. Who has the rings?
Here's tissues.
And tissues, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, repeat after me. Jim, wear this ring
Jim, with this ring,
is a reminder of my never-ending love.
is a reminder of my never-ending love.
Jim. Yvette, wear this ring
Yvette, wear this ring
as a reminder of my never-ending love.
as a reminder of my never-ending love. I hurt you.
Great. You may have kissed 1,000 times, but today the feeling is no longer simple partners and best friends. You have become husband and wife. By the powers vested in me by the Universal Life Church and the state of New Jersey, I now pronounce you man and wife. Please seal the deal with a kiss.
Thanks everyone for coming.
Congratulations to Yvette and Jim.